Hey there, it's Kyle Russell of Crystal Concentrics, and I am in the gallery of the Portal Crystal Gallery that has a classroom space where we have a permanent exhibit of crystal posters. And the reason I made this video is I wanted to show you some special recent purchases I've gotten. I've selected a little bit of a best of. I actually have a whole lot more than this, quite independently of the 1,000 pounds that are coming to me in a crate from Tucson, from the big gem show there. Some of my friends and suppliers have already gotten their shipments from Tucson, and I wanted to show you a couple of the tasty items. Maybe we'll start with this amazing opening amethyst, and then on the left you see a fantastically giant lingam stone and this wild red calcite. I've also gotten a lot of Colombian quartz. This is an example of just how clear it gets. Wonderful stuff, all different price points, sizes, etc. Over here you see an interesting rhyolite, and there's a serpentine display piece. This is a nice scolecite cut as a perfect lingam shape. That's quite unusual. This is also a cluster, a together cluster of apopholites. That's quite stunning. And a nice turquoise sort of botryoidal formation. Nice little cheap fake citrine, but they're such good color that I feel really good about our selection right now. This is a true Marian quartz, so dark it looks like it's been irradiated, but it's totally natural, from China. And then over here we have a little emerald tumbler, which is kind of cool. And then we've got some Merkabas. I got all different color of Merkaba. I have a huge selection of Richterite and Sugilite earrings. The video barely even does justice. When you put the light behind that, you'll see the gel quality. This is a little kyanite. I haven't had nice little kyanites in a while. This is a nice blue fluorite wand. Quite exceptional, little rainbow you see at the bottom of it there. This is something I used to call mystery agate. You might have to call it mystery carnelian. And I got all different colors and sizes of that. Some interesting pendulums. This is bronzite, which I've never had before. And a very interesting combination. This is a pendulum that has quartz on top and chevron amethyst on the bottom. Over here we've got the highest quality optical calcite I've ever had, and it's from Madagascar rather than Brazil. And although this one's not showing it off so well, there you go. Many of them have rainbows in them. There's a fun little collection here of bottles with different types of crystals inside of them. This is a sphere holder made of selenite. This is a gigantic irradiated smoky with a reverse record keeper in it. That is a true protector. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep that for myself. It's nice to find a little shattuckite, and this I'm calling fire healing carnelian. Very nice stuff. I kept a lot aside for my sessions, for private use with people and individual work. These are some very cute little birds. I got lots of nice little couples like that from Peru. This is a trigonic. You see that raised kind of record keeper on this nice piece of sapphire. Over here you have some tangerine quartz, which is nice. This I call waterstone. It's a quartz chunk that's been tumbled. Feels incredible in the hand. Also newly discovered rose quartz of the same type. And one of my favorite types of hematite here It's tumbled, but it still has lots of great texture and is grounding on many levels. This is a Faden quartz. It's a tabular floater, which has been made into a pendant, and that's kind of exquisite, as are the few pieces of small Nirvana quartz I've gotten, the pink Kulu quartz, which is pretty much running out. This is a novelty. I've seen these in amethyst and in fake citrine, but never in clear quartz. Nice little votive candle holder there. Nice little sort of Madonna figure here. Very sweet carving from out of Brazil. And it's nice to have some new angels in place. I got some bigger angels than I've had in stock for a while. Back there you see a reddish kyanite sort of sculptural display piece. And maybe last but not least, you have this sort of ceremonial dagger of selenite. So this is just a few of the pieces. Of course, I got many, many more, but I just thought I'd give you a little tour of some things that stood out for me and are already available for purchase here at Portal or online, because we do specialize in online ordering. And that'll keep you going until we get our big shipment at the end of this week from Tucson, with so much more I'll show you in upcoming videos. So if you want to be in touch, just write Kyle, K-Y-L-E, at crystalconcentrics.com. Thanks for watching.